Gigi the Vegan here. Welcome to another segment of the deliciousness of wellness. I am here in LA with just a few ingredients, and I just wanted to kind of walk you through of making a basic salad. A salad that is high in antioxidants, high in protein, as well as omega-3s, vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium. So, when you're traveling and you're limited to living foods, this is living foods, not cooked food, living foods, that we have to get these ingredients into our bodies. However way that we can, we must do it. So even if you're not traveling, you're at home and you wanted to just make a basic salad, you can do that. But remember, I am limited here where I'm located, so I just have a few ingredients. I was able to track down what I would consider our mixed greens. And I'm gonna go ahead and plate these right here. And my hands are washed and clean. So make sure that you have clean, washed hands when you prepare your food, especially, raw food. So this is considered a raw food. And, there's a lot of folks that are wanting to go vegan and saying, oh, that's all I can do is eat a salad. Is that it, Gigi? You know what? First of all, a lot of cooked foods aren't good for us, and we should eat salads, at least once or twice a day. You should have a cucumber, tomatoes, anything that is still alive, we should eat at least once or twice a day, right? And so even if you're having dinner with your family, your children, make sure that you prepare some leafy greens for them. Cucumbers are so amazing as it relates to, I call them the fabulous flushers. And what I mean by that is what they're really, really good for. Even when you have puffy eyes, or cucumber water is so amazing. And to stay hydrated, cucumbers are number one. Make you a great smoothie with cucumbers. You can do so many different foods that you can make with a cucumber as well. You can use a cucumber as your base, and you can build add mushrooms to it, or avocado and cucumber, whatever you want to do. So we're going to keep this simple and light, but y'all know Gigi. If I could have found some sprouts, some broccoli sprouts, that would have been a part of this, because we know their anti-cancerous benefits. So we're going to keep this going. I do have a fabulous red onion here. Whatever you can, grab, even in your kitchen, your refrigerator. I'm sorry about that. Whatever is in your refrigerator, in your cabinet that is living, you want to be able to use those items. So we're going to go ahead and spread our red onion all over this. And we know that red onion is good for, and I wanted to say too about your cucumber, anyone that has high blood pressure, diabetes, cucumbers are so good with bringing the body back to balance that way. So we're going to just fix that up. And then we have let's go ahead and add, sorry about that, our mushrooms. Today we have shiitake mushrooms. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful these are, right? And you talk about protein, everyone says, well, where do I get my protein from in this salad? Well, just one mushroom has 19 grams of protein, 19. So guess what? We're using 2, right? So we're gonna do 2 mushrooms. And let's not forget the proteins that are in green leafy greens here. Okay, we're gonna add our protein mushrooms, our shiitake mushrooms to the top. And everyone, I know that I had some people mention to me before, you can eat raw mushrooms. Of course you can. That's the form that you want to eat them in. when you cook them, you cook everything out of them, right? You want to eat this as living. We call this living foods. This is true living foods. And this is how you would eat those mushrooms. And then our next is our avocado. And avocado is great to give you that healthy fat that you need, right? Look at that. So if you want to know how to cut avocado, you cut it around, and then there's the big seed here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm only going to eat half of that. So, but if you want, you can eat the whole avocado. You can add the entire thing on your salad if you like. Right? So I just diced that up real good. And I didn't bring a spoon, but we're gonna make it work, okay? Hope y'all don't mind my fingers in here. We're gonna make it work. And this is what happens. We definitely make it work. And look at that. And avocados are good for our skin, our nails, and so amazing. There we are. And then what we're going to do, we have our avocado there, our shiitake mushrooms, our red onions, and look how beautiful this is. Look how simple it was to make. And then for me, again, limited resources here in LA, didn't have an opportunity to shop where I like, but I was able, I'm just gonna dice these up just a little bit more. I was able to gather some of these organically grown cucumbers and avocado. All of our ingredients is organic that we're using today. So I just want to set some things up here. And it's up to you. You know, some of you may like your cucumbers chopped even smaller than this, but again, it's your preference, right? We're just laying it out. And then for my dressing, I'm only going to squeeze lemon juice on top. That's it. That's all. And look what I have. A high protein salad with omega-3s, living foods, antioxidants. The list kind of goes on. Oh, wait a minute. I did have my date. I'm going on a date with this date today. I'm telling you that, because magnesium, potassium, there we are. Simple as that. And then we also have Gigi's, my own product here, which is our spicy pistachios. I'm gonna go a step further here. I am going to add some spicy pistachios on top, just to give me a little bit of flavor. What I'm going to do is just chop these up real fine. If this knife allow me to. Okay, I'm gonna chop up some pistachios. And we're gonna just drop those on the top. That way you get that crunch as well when you bite into this deliciousness of health and wellness. Simple salad. Like I said, traveling to LA, look what I was able to create. You can create this in your home. You can build it however way you want. And again, we must incorporate raw leafy greens into our daily lifestyle so that we can stay as vibrant as possible. Here we are. Ingredients is simple. Ingredients is listed right below in our bio. So everyone has a doctor in them, and you are your own doctor. Till next time.